HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hi kids, let's make puzzles in different shapes. Let's begin with a puzzle in a circle. Make 4 puzzles inside. That's easy, isn't it? Let's paint it. Let's use colors like red, yellow, dark blue, and green. Now let's make them in a square. And use yellow, pink, purple, and teal to color it. Are you done? Let's make a huge heart and draw puzzles inside. Let's fill colors in the heart like red, orange, sky blue, and green. Last one to go, and that is a star. Let's make a star. And color with yellow, dark blue, purple, and green. Well, that's all for now. Hope you had fun.